Mechanic scams are widespread, costing consumers billions annually. Rising repair costs and digital service platforms exacerbate the issue. The FTC reported a 15% increase in auto repair fraud complaints in 2024. This video exposes the 14 most common scams, empowering you to avoid getting ripped off. Scam number 1 involves unnecessary repairs, where mechanics recommend fixing problems that don't actually exist. They might exaggerate minor issues or completely fabricate problems to justify expensive work. This scam exploits the trust drivers place in mechanics and their lack of technical knowledge about vehicle systems. Unnecessary repairs can cost hundreds or thousands of dollars for work that wasn't needed. To protect yourself, always get a second opinion from another trusted mechanic before approving major repairs. Ask for a detailed written explanation of what the problem is and exactly why the repair is necessary. Getting multiple opinions and understanding the diagnosis can prevent falling victim to this common mechanic scam. Scam number 2 involves overpriced parts, where dishonest mechanics replace genuine high-quality parts with cheaper alternatives, but charge you the premium price. This scam exploits the fact that you can't easily tell the difference between genuine and counterfeit parts. To protect yourself, ask to see the old parts that were removed, verify the price of new parts with other suppliers, and check for original manufacturer's markings on the parts. Mechanic scams involving fake diagnostics use faulty equipment to inflate repair estimates, showing non-existent problems to justify higher costs. Towing fee traps occur when mechanics charge exorbitant rates for towing services, often linked to minor repairs that could be handled elsewhere. Protect yourself by not blindly trusting the initial diagnosis and researching reputable towing companies beforehand. Scam number 7 involves pressure tactics, where mechanics create a false sense of urgency to prevent you from getting second opinions. This tactic bypasses careful decision-making by making you feel the problem must be fixed immediately. Scam number 8 is unauthorized upgrades, where mechanics push costly add-ons or upgrades without your consent. They may suggest premium parts or additional services that aren't necessary, increasing the bill significantly. To protect yourself, never feel pressured into making immediate decisions. Take time to consider options and get estimates. Always clearly communicate your repair budget and preferences upfront to avoid surprises. Scam 9 involves return visit traps, where incomplete repairs force multiple trips back to the shop, each generating additional charges. Scam 10 is insurance scams, where mechanics encourage unnecessary insurance claims to inflate repair costs and capture payouts. Scam 11 includes hidden loaner vehicle fees, where temporary cars come with undisclosed charges added to the bill. Scam 12 features battery swaps, replacing functional batteries with defective ones to ensure customers return for replacements. Scam 13 is oil change overkills, recommending frequent changes with inferior products while charging high prices. Scam 14 involves digital invoice fraud, where bills are inflated through apps or emails with fabricated charges. To protect yourself, carefully review all invoices, question any unfamiliar charges, and be cautious of unusually frequent maintenance recommendations.